Okay guys, I'm bringing you the most realistic what I eat in a day you've ever seen in your life. We have all of these little kids, and I did want to show you what I eat when I am away, when I'm not in the comfort of my own house, knowing where is what, and how I kind of make better choices, or try at least, not always. The other day we've been having a lot of fast food because we just couldn't keep up with the cooking and kids and everything. Anyway, so I started my day. I drank a bottle of water and I got the kids ready, and now we are going to a workout, so I'm not planning to eat a lot. So all I'm gonna have is coffee and a banana before my workout. Finished my coffee. I'm gonna have my banana, but I also wanted to show you guys something that's been supporting me for the past few months, and in general I always talk about a multivitamin, about something that will help us to kind of fill in the gaps that we create sometimes with our diet. So first I wanted to say a big thank you to Ritual for answering this part of the video. Ritual, you've seen it before on my Instagram. They are an obsessively researched company that is basically for women, which I think is very important. A lot of the times we take 5, 6, 10 pills that we don't really know what they're for and if we need them, where Ritual is more of kind of the essentials, vitamins and minerals that we need as women going through our everyday life. I take 2 of these a day. Unlike other capsules that's sometimes really difficult to swallow, this is actually designed to be really gentle on the stomach, which is also great if you want to take it on an empty stomach, which happens quite often with me because I don't have time to eat breakfast as much. It has a little minty taste on the outer parts, and Ritual is a company that you can subscribe to and it ships to your door every month. If you guys are interested in trying out Ritual, they've been kind enough to provide my subscriber 10% off your first order for 3 months. So you can check it out. Go to their website, and then the code is Valeria, and I'm gonna link everything in the description box. Okay, I'm ready to continue with my life now. We're gonna go to a workout. So I have my protein, I have my fiber, I have my healthy fats, I have some veggies, and for bread, we are using the Ezekiel sprouted grain bread. Sesame, this is a really great, really whole, organic, natural bread that has a high amount of fiber in it, which is really important. There's no extra nasty ingredients. Sprouted wheat is more digestible, so if you have any issues with digesting wheat, unless you're like really intolerant to it, obviously don't eat it. But if you kind of want to try to minimize the bloating, you should try sprouted wheat. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie, which is basically what I do when I travel, because again, I don't really have a schedule here with food and we're kind of busy with doing things. So I actually find that when I'm home in my routine, I eat 3 big meals a day. I'll have a snack or 2, but when I'm on trips or vacations, I'll usually eat more often, but just like smaller portions throughout the day, just to kind of fuel me and not to eat big meals that kind of slow me down. That's how I roll. I'm just snacking my life away, and that kind of works better for me. So I'm gonna do something with almond milk, I'll do banana, I'll do some frozen berries, I'll put some chia, hemp seeds, some protein and fiber. So this
is my smoothie. I put some fiber, healthy fats in it. I have some protein. So this is kind of what I'm looking for every time I create a recipe. And if you guys don't know, I actually have an ebook for my smoothies. I started this thing with Smoothie Mondays. So I decided to come out with an ebook showing you guys and sharing all my favorite recipes for energy, for glow, for being able to deal with your mornings. I have the like don't lose your shit smoothie. That's very helpful when there's, you know, moments of just like. So you can actually find the link in my description box for the ebook. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. She made our lunch.
And this is the lunch.
What's in here, Sasha?
Classic Niswa salad. It has hard-boiled eggs,
Lots
tuna,
of protein, tuna, potato. So what
olives,
is
and lettuce.
Thank you, Sasha.
You're welcome. Please enjoy.
I feel like I wanted to talk a little bit about the portion sizes and what I eat. So I think that in general it's very, very important to mention that every body is different. Your body is so specific to you. So whenever you build your diet or what you eat, it's great to look at what I eat in a day from other creators and people, but it's also very important to be in tune with, you know, your body and what it needs and your lifestyle. Are you, you know, in a work that is very physical? Are you sitting a lot? Those are factors that you have to think about. So for me, I kind of figured out my rhythm. I know that on days where I'm very active, I make sure that I eat much more and provide myself the proper energy. So on days when, you know, I am mostly sitting down and not doing much, I make sure that I eat differently. So it really depends. Also, obviously depends on the season. I feel like when it's summer, I eat more lighter food. I don't crave much of like heavy stuff or warm stuff. Like I can have smoothies in the summer 3 times a day without fail. Where in the winter, sometimes it's a little different. I prefer like soups, I prefer chilies, I prefer like heavier food. And obviously I'm more attracted to comfort food. So I'm aware of that and try to create kind of better options for myself. So those are the kind of things you need to think about whenever you're building your kind of diet. And I don't like the word diet because I feel like it associates with, you know, kind of depriving yourself from things, but it's really all about lifestyle. Some days I don't eat great, other days I do better. Yesterday we went for a burger after the beach and I just took like a burger without the bun and I had it like lettuce wrapped. I had like veggies on the side and I did have some fries because who eats a burger without fries? I think that it's really all about kind of finding moments where you can be a little better and moments when, you know, you can give yourself the freedom to kind of try. If you crave a burger, if you crave something, you just try to do small little changes to make it a little bit better. But basically what I'm trying to say is that when you think about food, you have to think about what kind of fuel you need in your life with your lifestyles. These videos of what I eat in a day is to inspire you guys, to give you ideas, not to necessarily follow it, you know, to the T. It's very, very individual, so keep that in mind. We have the challah today. We have this wild rice with onion and mushrooms. We're gonna have that for dinner. We have this amazing salad. This one is with cabbage and a lot of other yummy stuff. With sweet potato. Hi beauties, thank you so much for watching my What I Eat in a Day vacation edition. If you want to check out the video where my kids decided what goes into my smoothie, check it right here.